This video is a celebration of Dave. So, what is Dave? Who is Dave? Dave helps me in the garden one day a week. And I think there are many ingredients you need to create a great garden, and a Dave is definitely a really key one. The problem with Daves and Daves like him is that they're the unsung heroes. Nobody tells you about their Dave because they want to keep them to themselves. I first met Dave when he built this kitchen over 20 years ago, and he built it from scratch pretty much on his own. We had a roofer in to do the tiles on the roof, but everything else he did himself. He is a jack of all trades, but now he's a gardener. And the great thing about Dave is his versatility. He can lay slabs, he can dress lead, he can make greenhouses, he's very good at carpentry, his stonemasonry is really superior. And his attitude, you know, if you say, oh Dave, it's a really nasty day, but we really need to do this, he says, oh, it's got to be done, don't worry, I'll do it. He'll do anything to help you. He's incredibly meticulous and does it really nicely. He always clears up afterwards, never leaves a mess. Versatility is second to none. So this video is really all about Daves and Daves like, and people like Dave, and how they are essential to gardening and how they are so little recognised. You've seen him in loads of videos, and here's a few more showing off his fantastic skill set. I would have got him on the video, but Dave doesn't like attention, he doesn't like praise, he just did not want to do it. So Dave, a huge thank you for all that you do.